Hello everyone. So today we had a very volatile expiry in Nifty and everyone is blaming the Jane Street. So what I say is that Jane Street से डरने का नहीं, Jane Street के साथ चलने का. So let's get started. For example, let me show you first. That is let's refer to this post, where we saw the put writing happening at the bottom today, and I also posted it here. That is now what's the second reversal happened by the HFT Algo Scanner. Time is 10:18 a.m. in the morning, and we should buy calls. Like I marked the put writing side, and like I said, the second reversal. And now let's go and check out the call prices. So 1018, okay, right? So 1018 we are at 24,600. So 1018 is here, okay. 1018, 1019, so almost the price is at 60, and within like 1 2 3 4, so within 2 to 3 minutes again the move started, okay, and it right away pumped to, so like 247, guys. So more than 4x, so it pumped to more than 4x, guys. So the thing is that I mean, this is the power, if you of the HFT Algo Scanner, and if you are able to track the big institutions in real time, okay. So let's come one by one now and let's see what happened, okay. So let's come to the starting of today. That is at the starting, the suddenly the market fell, right? So what was the reason behind that? So the reason was nothing but, like, you have to just go and check out our live stream, okay. So I was live yesterday, and here, so I was live yesterday till 3:30, and I clearly showed you that, like, the big guys were taking Nifty up and shorting. So here Nifty was going up, and these guys were shorting. So we clearly saw that in the live stream yesterday, and then the fall started straight away in the morning. And also, like, we marked two levels. If one of the levels break, we also told that you have to be cautious. I clearly mentioned that in that live stream. So now let's come one by one. That is again, if you want to check the live stream, you can you can start from 10 for, I think I forgot the exact time, so I wrote it here somewhere. Yeah, 41:57. So the link is also set adjusted to 41:57. It will start. So just go and check there. You don't have to even check the whole live stream. So just start the live stream at 41 minutes 57 seconds, okay, and you will get to know. So again, we saw the call writers were present, and I told you that they are making a fool out of us. And then, like, in the morning, even our AI money flow of Nifty were straight away, it went to negative, and the fall came in, okay. So let's look at here. That is even in the morning also we got like fresh call writing also 45 cr, 45.8 cr. So right here 927. So let's go and check out 927. Even in our AI money flow also 921 we got the signal. So let's go and check out the P side, okay. So P side, so this is 24,700 PE, 9, okay, so 921 here. So let's look at here. So 930, okay, so 924, this is 922, okay. So we got the signal on the HFT fresh signal today at, let's see, 927. So let's go to the PE side, 925, 26, 27. So 927, it's at 128, guys. Okay, let's even take it as 130 also, no problem. And then after that, like from 130, it straight away moved to 246 or 250, okay. So from 130 to 250, so, like, I mean, almost 100%, almost, okay. So 260 it would have been 100%, but again almost 100%. Within how much? Like it started all like from 927 or 928 and ends at 946, okay. So I mean, a very swift and quick move, and that's what the thing is like. And even right from the level that we had drawn yesterday, now coming down to here, that was the second reversal. That is, the put writers were busy here, and we also in the smart trade it went into the buying zone. And there, like, the put writers, like if you see here, this is 65.3 cr of put writing, this is 49.4, 50 cr of put writing, this is 22 cr of put writing. this is 51 CR of put writing. You would say that here call writers were also present. They also, if you see that, they did call writing and market started bending. Like even for the scalpers also, like that's how it's beneficial. That's what I've shown. And also we only follow the light red and the light green, guys. So those who don't know, those who are watching this for the first time, just go out and check out my last video. Okay, this option bias paradise or the game changer one, you will get to know like why we follow the light red and the light green only. Okay, and so the put writing and the call writing. And now, so this one, as you saw, this one gave us like within 10-18 to like here, it gave us 4x that we just saw. And now right at the top, again, so right at the top, while the pump was there, so right at the top again the call writers came in. This was 69.970 CR of call writing. We don't go with the deep red, okay, we are going with the call writing. Put buying also happened, but yes, we only go with the call writing, but put buying also sometimes makes sense. But anyways, let's come to the call writing part only. So again call writing happened, and let's see. So almost at 10:41, okay, so 10:41 again we should buy puts at around that time. So let's see. So here, so 10:41, so 10:41, if you see, like that was almost the bottom that was made. So the price is almost at 84 to 85, and then after that it went to 164 again, guys, like again a 2x. So almost a 2x, okay. So 170 would have been the 2x, but again almost a 2x. So that is the beauty of this one. And then it was like hovering here, but while it was doing so, it was hovering like constantly. So why it was hovering here for a very long time, guys? Because to give exit to the call writers or the put buy, I mean whichever side it wants to move first, it gives exit to the big guys on that side. So like from 11:14 to like let's say almost till 1 p.m. Like they were giving exit. Okay, so now you would say that now you can say obviously they were giving exit. So the point is that like just let's go to the money flow. Okay, so we saw the time that is from 11:16 to 1 p.m. So let's see how our money, so market was flat, right? So let's see how our AI money flow behaved. So here, look at here, that is 11. So I mean 11 here, that is market came down at 11:14 and so on. So like let's look at here, that is 11, the score is strong, and here again somewhat the score came down here, but again let's look at here, that is like 12:36. Okay, right before the pump at 1 p.m. 12:30, notice the score from 12:36, and also like throughout the scores were positive, though market was consolidating, the scores were showing some strength. Okay, and above 15 it's like strength zone. Okay, so now look at here, that is before even 1 p.m. here, 1:03 p.m. even like it pumped to 13.4 at 39, I mean the score 39.43. So 1.3 to 1.7 or 50 it even went, so 1.10. So now at 1:03, let's see what like happened. So 1:03 also, like, so as I also said that once any two of these blue yellow lines breaks, so we have to be cautious, because that's where like the big guys have shorted. And yesterday we saw the huge put writing at the below, right at the below. So 170 CR of put writing that happened at 12:51 yesterday. So I showed you that even like that was a fantastic move. I mean just swiftly like market started moving up. So we marked these two levels according to that, and then after that what, okay, so after that like let's see. So even here as well, like one of these levels breaking, and then we are in the buying zone in the smart trend. Okay, so that's why I mostly say that don't prefer the call writers when we are in the buying zone. It's not better not to prefer the call buyers when we are in the buying zone of the smart trend. Okay, so now like at 1:03 if it's here, so we have just crossed this level, and then after that like it was a straight cut move, and also like AI money flow here also like gave a straight give a straight signal. Okay, so let's see 1:03 again, we are coming down to 24,600 CE. So 24,600 CE, if we come down here, that is 1:03. So this is the price 103. So 103, the price is almost at 150, and from there, you know guys what happened. So from 150 it went to like above 400. So okay, so here you know that it went to like 500, so from 150. So again, as I always say that either the I mean, you just, it's very simple setup. You just have to follow either the AI money flow or the HFT, and then after analyzing, go with the like smart trend. So on the smart trend, if we are in the buying zone, if the AI money flow is giving a good strength, then we go along with it, and if vice versa. And also if market is consolidating, then we can like follow any one of them as well, and especially the HFT for scalping. And that's how the thing is like, and that's how the I mean the setup is. And even right at the top, so now we should delete this 24,600 after the pump, and 700. Now let's come to 25,000, okay, or 25,100 also we can come. And there also, like right at the top there, after the top was made, so at the end, so call writers were present, okay. So that's also, like I said 1 hour before while leaving. So this one I posted several analysis, guys, for you all. And again, so right before I left here, so I posted that AI money flow score is coming down. I gave the free access to the AI money flow score, and also some call writers are appearing at the top, and everything I said. Then for the writers also, at the end you could have captured some move as well from the top by writing along with the big guys. So the major point again here is that if you like my analysis, guys, if you want such analysis in the future, you have to encourage me by putting some likes. Otherwise I won't feel encouraged. And the thing is that if you want to capture the big guys, or you want to ride with the Jane Street type of hedge funds, so then you have, I mean, this is the indicator, okay guys. So this is the leading indicator, one of the leading indicator in the market. And like every day I'm showing you it's an option buyer's paradise, okay. And not only that, you can also track the stocks and everything. So not only indices, there are stocks and everything. So a lot of options are there. So I mean the possibilities are endless. And again, so you can go out, check out my today's post as well. So several posts I made, and so on and so forth. So I hope, guys, you have enjoyed my analysis. And again, if you want access to the indicator, so all you have to go is go to my website and subscribe for the period that suits you, and you get access right away. And again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.